Enti Bonohene abe clash with Sammy Gyamfi. Lawyer Sammy Gyamfi GoldBod CEO. Efani se wobekas Mamoka se GoldBod ene promote Galamsey fi se omo to Galamsey gold ni munyae no. Sansem no Bonohene ene Sammy Gyamfi abe clash. In fact, wabobo na adwen pa akere Sammy Gyamfi o say expose no. Penyah block media. Meso say any demo. Obe like if you don't know that my subscribe button, so by click the notification icon for latest update. Abe the word in them e comment section. Best resource so no share no for so enya bi ahwe. Eje the purpose and the function of GoldBod the both hide say Ghana ha gold nyina no. GoldBod function as cocoa board eno na to Ghana ha cocoa nyina no. Sana GoldBod so operate ena to Ghana ha no nyina gold e wo man we mu it open determine prices as yento gold per ounce no ene ade
ti president Mahama say sisi yenya ban adwuma yoku a ono nko a ne wotumi se obeden obeto gold na wa export to sa gold no na wa timia regulate that market because the nam say all these state agencies are there. MIF is there, Bank of Ghana is there, PMMC is there, other aggregators are there, traders are there, way no. You can't regulate it. And price are called overboard. The trade is no longer profitable. And this one person make it profiting when there was a smuggle.
What I say, it won't mean smuggle good and create any kinds of auto good. A GoldBod on Kwa and what quite auto good. ATM, some feeding chim we buy and a GoldBod must as an air cost runner. Among first as a Kenya, Galamsey fighting and this lose if you say GoldBod crown, auto good if you Galamsey for honomo. It then is a GoldBod auto Galamsey for goldwa. Per Mahama statement, the president, in the statement, Obemeki, you know. Among what you're saying here, Mahama crab, Abbott himself. Whether illegal mine is good or legal mine is good, a Ghana assassin. It's a home here say Yankasi beto. Dance my foreigners about beto. It does Mahama confirms at least Omoto good from Galamsey as Nehorma. But Sammy Gyamfi on 3 FM and I said 3 News, TV3, Echo Grantee interview na hono. Anyway, to them say, yeah, can dance, Mammo can dance, say GoldBod, too good if you can say for honomono. Sebi munya san kwasake kan na GoldBod ento gold in free Galamsey ni bia ho sansem we no ana busi Bonohene of Accra FM Bonohene es won ti ase ene ne tibu amfa eye ne tirimu na ensembe pa na Sammy Gyamfi ekekan edi Bonohene abe clash with Sammy Gyamfi big time
akaba mesre GoldBod payino Sammy Gyamfi akrakuma onyini ye me chen no me chiriba betima chen Sammy Gyamfi
boy
aye by virtue of NDC abanya betena konwa so na Sammy Gyamfi wanya sa position no
Me kan na da ho no
enya de no nim chen obi enya no ho efe chen obi enya oye tintin chen obi enya se wo sha atade papanti no ma mienu by virtue of NDC abetena konwa so any the favor of God
etumpan
na me hu mobro and I turn so.
Sheniakasa.
And when you GoldBod.
Etumpan.
GoldBod no awa one team ye pass. Sammy Gyamfi mon kanchen one team. Eba illegal mining Galamsey ya. Hey, and your GoldBod asem GoldBod asem o. On kana nutum.
O kan wie no so won ti ase dia e won headache.
Illegal mining kono GoldBod for muntimi nko. Nti se nyame atom o. Akrakuma no nya ba bia hye. Ni atwa sika puduo de mawa. Kawanu tum na pa baby tra na yetuma
Sheniakasa
Matisa Sammy Gyamfi ababonten dia betu dwa se gold no a GoldBod for auto no omo nto Galamsey for gold ana mbisa nse no omo ton he for gold
wey
omo prove a trese omo nto Galamsey for gold ana small scale miners no gold na moto no onfan krata amra small scale miners omo betra akonwa so abosomi nkono abosomi du won prove evidence enchira Ghana for say Galamsey yes for nka ho
say anya wote ba na bi ni mpansa
ba woni prove bi a edenti a wo ka say Galamsey for nka ho
Sheniakasa
small scale miners some 80% ati nkono na me no wudi no about 60% illegal mining wo kuruma
Sheniakasa
small scale miners no some 80% wo kroma and omomom gold no about 60% illegal mining
Me kan na da ho no
enti bia na brofo no nti ase on so na kam nim so te brofo
etumpan
se brofo no nti ase afan ba what brofo na se dia e ma ne ma out me rabishin sam because wakono aye kono Galamsey kono enye kon ketwa
Penyah kasa
Mampai John Dramani Mahama meet the press one bia na no kasae ebia na no na fom ye ebia won hu asem na no wo ka no
Penyah kasa
ebia na wa misa Sammy Gyamfi ansa yente Mampai John Dramani Mahama na yentie Sammy Gyamfi nsem a wo ka se enye Galamsey vo gold no moto na gold be na moto yenko ti nemra
Penyah Mekan, gold is the one holding Ghana now, and because of Galamsey Intina, we're 80 tons per year. I feel 135 tons additional, be brief free Galamsey. So we must be prepared to sacrifice in the fight against Galamsey. Say production will come down. If Galamsey Intina,
kwatre na yen sign tape ni bio. Mampai John Dramani Mahama. Sammy Gyamfi won chama Mampai John Dramani Mahama. On na appointing no. Wayakwa, Sammy Gyamfi wayakwa.
Penyah kasa
And Mampai appointing is one custom. One kasa won go to be a good board.
etumpan
Sa kasa ni no opposition. Na Sammy Gyamfi muntu no for busuentu no for.
Penyah kasa
Mampai ni se illegal mine no. Si akase ye tu ase a God tons wa yenya no one hwe a ebete production bete abafom wan kan bibia wo wase ye kasa ye pam ana ye say Galamsey a me ba 20 Mampai John Dramani Mahama niemra
Penyah Mekan, gold is the one holding Ghana now, and because of Galamsey Intina, we're 80 tons per year. I feel 135 tons.
me ba so o say 80 tons Mampai nyamra me kan nyame Bonohene enti ma ka cho so time yewu ye 2 million ni atresie Mampai say ne yenya 80 tons because of Galamsey. Mampai na be na no kan yo was it because of Galamsey ye call 135 tons. Enti nya Sammy Gyamfi na oba be rabehye say nya Galamsey for gold no mo ton a Sammy Gyamfi onum nyansa che Mampai John Dramani Mahama na
ana papa dia na o ka no kulisi
enti Mampai John Dramani Mahama ni Sammy Gyamfi wan na ka no kra kire Ghana fo
ye bomwa no kre ne dikan
wan na edi ntro wa wo Mampai no anya me Mampai ni wo Mampai ni woni no the same political party and say the president of Ghana, the first gentleman. And I say Sammy Gyamfi a first gentleman ukruma
Penyah kasa
sabani ato no so aba
Way.
assembly lesson kro ogina bi pen
Way.
honya sa to be no be yaduma onya aduma
Hey.
yeah to God ni free Galamsey for that means that is why I yent me into Galamsey as ukruma because you can say you declare state of emergency. Number of tons production back off from yentimi nya number of tons in here so my Ghana bet me in revenue secret won nya no pa Mampai na smo kan nyame pa Mampai na John Dramani Mahama tie ne bio o ya Ghana ni ame de bia me catch say ye no di nkomo wasase pa 107.3 a fast and figures here aduma tie Mampai John Dramani Mahama
107.3
gold is the one holding Ghana now, and because of Galamsey Intina, we're 80 tons per year. Because of Galamsey Intina, we're 80 tons per year. Because of Galamsey Intina, we're 80 tons per year. I feel 135 tons additional, be brief free Galamsey. So we must be prepared to sacrifice in the fight against Galamsey.
Right. Mampai say yan sacrifice it because a year tons and 80 tons. Because of Galamsey, Mampai John Dramani Mahama was here 135 tons.
107.3
That means survey about report about some contaminated polluted. Banchene body and normal polluted, and yan Mampai watching home.
ne ka na da ho no
Wadwene sika beba ho.
Way.
In any case, say sika na GoldBod Edrikino, and then ya dey ukrum ha.
etumpan
Contractors abani do amoka close to bear 40 billion Ghana cedis won twa.
Hey.
Contractors e ukrum ha.
Hey.
And I'm make out. And also road minister na be kan say, "Omo the contractors e ka
Hey.
40 billion Ghana cedis. Yentimi ntwi omoka."
Hey.
Enti se nyame adom ma betra se na mo Galamsey akoso mo ye illegal mine mo nkrofo tu gold no near the back GoldBod ni enya sika GoldBod sika na enya no Sammy Gyamfi eda ne ye wo krum ha mo ma kire yan se GoldBod sika no ye de bia ye A ye de bia ye B ye de bia ye C na shut up.
Kamara,
MK.
do you agree with the thought of Isaac Latino too?
Okay. MK, Eddie Kaino, me friend Chia Matakwe from Tia Fuina. Na Minchia been penny phobia, or Mama Queen Bettina. MK, unse Minu, defending obrepa wo sha se juro mo se djuma no ye no obre minia mk nso okasa wie no omo etie from mutie ne hu se asmo kan be 15 or 20 minutes no wan ka hwe de Sammy Gyamfi kan brofo na Sammy Gyamfi kan na obekire matre
so o person can be say
ana
say na ka person
brofo na Sammy Gyamfi kan no eno anu obekire matre yo questions that will be say bisa no we nya answer ba kokran fa mk yes starting say abe ye establish GoldBod the first ade omoye and say they revoked all licenses of Omomoto Gold or Ghana hina anameboa.
That's true.
Orum ko bia licenses. Where the Mautan Belkwa they revoked it. Come to us and come and register again. Anameboa. Very good. Omuye no. Omusi GoldBod no. You have 2 categories. You have tier 1 and tier 2.
That's it.
Anameboa.
That's it.
Tier 1 no. Do obeya ane say if as akon community miner mo boys your money bag as on kon they come to you our miner no ma beto good na then if you say on site they come there and come and buy from us omuria you that tier 1 you don't have the licenses to go and sell it to GoldBod directly you have to take it to your ocret tier 2 licenses GoldBod for no omusika na omode mase ama we sika on omode mo ocret tier 2 licenses into tier 2 lines, I say me camera. Me tier 2 lines are meto good.
Only for aggregators.
Yes. Me, ye discount mamia. Me the bema we also tier 1. Say jena ko akon community mine. Ko bobo. Kwa ha. Na also ko to go. No ko to go. Now they abre me. Na me ma kwa ko turn the akoma GoldBod for. MK. Ubi say a very important question. Now, I think no to. I don't want ya intimi ya. MK. Takwa ha na ye wono. Besides how many licensed small scale mining concessions na otakwa ha uye anu fima boys na omo ye adwuma wo bonsare mine no me bonsare emu say na licensed pattern ho emu say na licensed ben so enclaves emu say na licensed Galamsey omo ye otakwa ha no emu say na licensed concessions. And all ya categorize I am small scale mining companies. Passe your wahi, you can clearly say or a small scale miner, and I'm boy. Yeah. You a Mohammed Brothers, Johnson and Johnson. These are individuals you can point out. These are licensed small scale mining companies in Takwa here. The Omakano Omuto gold in the mine.
Have you mentioned
how was Sammy Gyamfi able to detect their gold way if Galamsey for her? How are they able to detect it? Say gold near the bar. How do you detect a gold way if Galamsey for and a gold way if you register small scale miner?
If you are making publications of young embossment in Bush.
How? How say you gold neighbor was a gold way if you pass register small scale miner? Gold way if you Mohammed Brothers register small scale miner. Gold way if you I'm gonna be a double and sorry register yet. How are they be able to do that? MK. Sammy Gyamfi is just finding an excuse. I cover the His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. I can't say, Obi beside the question, your media engagement. No. Obi beside say, yeah, to say, GoldBod no in a full Galamsey no because GoldBod no or Tony Gold need defeat Galamsey for no. Answer by His Excellency the Mai. Or says, almost to Galamsey for one check Sikanaba Ghana. Ghana yenye skefim. It's in that little tablet now. Trying to defend all out. Say, nah, small scale miner and motor register small scale miner anyway. MK. Me, I have said it and I'll say it again. Say, even at the time PMMC. MK. At the time PMMC won crown. You cannot say Galamsey for Anto Gold and PMMC. No, art never say good na me tournament to be fit Galamsey for. Abra Galamsey for down wo kruma. And unless you want to tell us that Galamsey for ni kruma. Name ki Galamsey ni ben no ye adwuma. Ni gold ye nto. No be cause I say sikari akọ adwuma.
ABS your money in different market outside GoldBod.
And how do they do that? What yeah me one.
That's the question.
No Galamsey. No Galamsey have the right to transport or export gold. Anamwa. You can't export gold as a Galamsey.
Yeah.
He found out the far cotton. Okoton amohain. Okoton the amohain. So clearly, the tier 1 licensed GoldBod agents, they buy from the Galamseyers and sell it to the tier 2. Not tier 2 for now cotton. Clearly, you can say me a small scale miner. Galamsey be a small scale miner. MK. Galamsey be a small scale miner. So that title, me a small scale. We all know that we have large scale and small scale. Galamsey ni a title be a young case ya kwene diama those who mine illegally. And we classify all of them as small scale miners. So Sammy Gyamfi, so if they want to prove us wrong, I think if they want to prove us wrong, they should publish the list of the small scale licensed small scale miners that they buy goods from. So okay, per se, every month we are told this tons of gold and from more. You are told then we calculate. We actually see any gold GoldBod for you. Omunya fini. 60% of GoldBod for gold. Omunya fi Galamsey for 60%.
That is to you.
60%.
That is to one MPP for na more.
What you say? So don't come and sit here and that Ghana for now that wine. Why now that no? I don't know what will be with it's clear for everybody to know.
So you believe that GoldBod they buy good from a year Galamsey, yes,
no, MK. Mami can say from the time of PMMC, he has a GoldBod. You can't deny that you don't buy from illegal miners. How do you even detect? Say Nippon do gold ne brown or a registered small scale miner and or a Galamsey? How do you detect that? Nippon or the gold ne ba okacha offer ne concession lines concession yimra. Nippon of ton gold na mo. Agent no to gold no. Me beto gold a me fa passe license say ma say me edwo passe me fa mbra. Amki. We ye nufu a ye fa say ukọ Akon community mining on. Akon community mining don't sell as Akon community mining. Yo emfa say me camera me team maybe me wo face and am some portion bi wo Akon community mining wa ye adwuma de mame. Nti adon de me kofa me ana me kwa akoton. Nti me koton a me ko kan to bi say me ye adwuma Akon community mining. You no even know say me ye adwuma Akon community mining. You don't even know say the Poverton gold na mo no. Or ye adwuma Muhammad Brothers. You don't even know say the Poverton adwuma no. Or ye adwuma Patan. You don't know. And no gold agents will have time to scrutinize these things. Gold buy a beer no better. Whether tier 1 or tier 2, they don't care. Whether you are from a Galamsey site or you are from a licensed small scale mining. That be, as far as the gold is here, on the top. Inti atuno tonjai sa kokwa na story o ma betena ka kire. Say omoto gold ni from. How is it even possible? So Galamsey for gold no be the question. Omo the coin. Where do they sell it? Okasem say na e den agbohu ni pa ba ni pa ba ku mienu miense. Say ni pa ba ku mienu miense bi na nya akonya wurema na bebre na nya akonya wurema. Nka we have seen the impact. Nka clearly we have seen the impact. Say okay, ni podi gold ne brown gold okofa fi Bonsa River. How will you know?
Very well.
How will you know say ni podi gold ne brown? You should be that Bonsa River. You know, or mining wo no nya gold no dey ba beto am.
Trying to get.
How do you even know?
Let them go machi.
But yes, so they are no to can there. It's neither here nor there. They should just accept it.
Very well.
That in Ghana honey one. MK, you can't have everything 100%. GoldBod a lot of force. And maybe do too because it's something new. What I say? It's something new. They should just accept it and know how to regularize it well. No, enjoy Kokwana story I want to catch you.
I was here for Sammy Gyamfi say GoldBod no. Omonto gold no. Illegal miners or name omonto free lances miners or. What about Sammy Gyamfi? We yet know who say miners or na wotono. Because your president actually say for now dear yentimi hu se gold na woto no efiri license miners ho ana illegal miners ana woto firi om ho ni wo ka kire ni se wo de woto firi license miners ho ene small scale miners president nso ka kire say GoldBod gold amoto no yentimi hu se moto firi gold miners ho ana say license miners ho se mumu no hana kanokore Sammy Gyamfi nya wan kasa na obeka kire se gold na Galamsey for no de ba no emu efi entra ma price no wo form no se obedi gold ba office obeto a ordin certificate che wan sana wato ana hwe se yaka illegal mining na why na illegal mining mama last se omo ye no omo na illegal mining Galamsey ni a ono no ni paper no onkura excavator ono wade nsa ene kwa tutu form kure ono asa asase wahi on sa asase bia but mama lances ya omo de kosa tunsuo no so ese no no mama lances ya omo de machines egu forest no mu no mom ene se forest no enya mama de nsa no nti se o ka kire se wo nto gold no free illegal miners ho a enya no kure because president amayachi asese go na woto no say free illegal miners ho ana free illegal miners ho no yentimi nkire enna eno kura no say woto free illegal miners ho a eda say oma no ebenya faso sa na ka kire nti ne oka no ayisa okoba yenya nti ase
Abibi one wa katua Sammy Gyamfi oji 125,000 Ghana cedis every month bia Sammy Gyamfi akatua woje nurse for yentwa omoka adwuma be pa na woye ede adwuma na woye ono no gisa akatua wi Sammy Gyamfi akatua woje anya yiyo every year bia annually no oje 1.5 million Ghana cedis akatua woje yes atum 50%. Yes, I took 15% you. Every year, be a Sammy Gyamfi, 1.5 million Ghana cedis. And so you China is a foka. You China is a foka. On Sammy Gyamfi to worry. And this is for me say I almost full no more drink. And yet you might be pan or you China.
Comment section. I have Penyah Media.